Amazon best-selling CERAKOTE ceramic headlight restoration kit. The product buying link in this video description. Guaranteed to last as long as you own your vehicle. You read it right. We're so confident in our ceramic coating that we'll stand behind our limited lifetime warranty that it will last as long as you own your vehicle, or we'll cover the next kit for free. Our chemists developed this kit in-house at CERAKOTE HQ. We aren't rebottling another company's product. This is a ceramic coating that chemically bonds to your headlights and provides UV protection for as long as you own your vehicle. No power tools required, everything is included in your kit. There are no tools required that could potentially damage your headlights or paint. There's nothing worse than having to call your crazy uncle you haven't seen since the holidays because he's got the power tools you need. After he hollers "stand clear," fires up his wheezing disc sander and runs it off of your headlight and across the paint on your hood. It's too late. Don't buy a kit that requires tools. Restores and protects from UV. This isn't the classic bait and switch you're used to. We won't sell you something that needs to be purchased again in a few months. Our ceramic coating provides a layer of UV protection that is guaranteed to stand the test of time. We believe in providing our customers the best products on earth the first time. After all, we're the chemists that have been providing world-class ceramic coatings to endless industries for decades. It's what we do.